Each time you go to a beach, each time you go on the coastal zone, you see something new.
When you go along rivers and estuaries, you can see that the sea is always changing with the seasons, changing with storms or meteorological events.
We see pollution, we see coastal erosion, we see nutrients, we see all these things happening.
It's an incredibly complex story, and we really need to bring the science community together.
We need to define a common strategy to clarify which are the steps that we need to take,
so that we can unpack those challenges and find those solutions. And that's what LandSeaLot is all about.
LandSeaLot, it's in the name, the land-sea interface. And the lot is about let's observe together. That's the credo, bringing together people, communities, disciplines. And at the moment, a lot of measurements are ongoing, monitoring, etc., but it's isolated. It's disconnected, so what people do in the marine field is not really connected to what we have in rivers.
And the goal of LandSeaLot is to defragment, to make all the relevant stakeholders contributing in observing this land-sea interface to work together.
If we share the data streams, you can learn from your neighboring countries, and it helps to create coherent data sets.
LandSeaLot brings together three major players, the JERICO, the ICOS and Danubus research infrastructures. And it combines three components: the satellite community, the in-situ observation community, and a modeling component.
The land-sea interface are areas of great societal relevance. These are the areas where food is produced, these are areas for energy production, but these are also areas that are very important for recreational purposes. And so having data on the land-sea interface is key to make the best possible use of those areas.
One of the key outcomes of this project is a jointly designed strategy on how to observe the land-sea interface. And jointly designed means not only us, but designed together with all the parties.
Stakeholders are key for this project. It has to involve other parties. It can be policymakers, public authorities, industries, which are also making observation, and certainly citizens.
The strength of citizen science is that it is local citizens working with their local environment and getting to know it better, but working together on a broader European scale, so we can harvest from all these local initiatives to get a broader picture as well to support and fill the data gaps.
So we will develop new methods, we will integrate new sensors to provide the citizens with easy solution to conduct measurements, to contribute to the observation of this complex system, but this has to be tested.
In LandSeaLot Integration Laboratory, we will advance the research that we do, looking into science and very important societal questions, specifically related to the land-sea interface.
If we look to the challenge that we have in LandSeaLot, it will be on combining the various data types in the land-sea interface. And what we want to do is to provide means to better integrate that data to create interoperability solutions.
Bringing this wealth of data into models so we can think about future scenarios. Bringing that best practice into the various laboratories that we have across the project so we can test those and then bring that back to build a roadmap for the future.
So let's observe together.
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 Let's observe together.